Are you facing wage theft, unsafe or unfair working conditions? No matter your immigration status, you have rights. And you're not alone. If you're experiencing unsafe working conditions, being robbed of overtime pay, or being intimidated from forming a union at your workplace, for example, there are likely many others. The Department of Homeland Security issued guidance to protect immigrant workers who take action and work with labor agencies to hold abusive employers accountable. This process is streamlined and accessible to all workers. Here's how it works in 5 steps. Step 1. If your workplace rights have been violated, contact your union representative to get help in making a complaint or filing a charge with the appropriate labor agency. If you don't have a union, contact a workers' center, workers' rights, or nonprofit legal services organization for help with your claim. Remember, your immigration status is irrelevant and private. You need not and should not disclose it to any person or agency. Step 2. You, your union, or workers' rights organization or legal representative can send a letter to a federal, state, or local labor agency requesting support for worker protections. The letter will explain the need to protect workers at your workplace. It will also ask the labor agency to send a letter to DHS asking to protect all workers at your workplace while the labor case and investigation is pending. You or your coworkers will not and should not be listed in the letter. Step 3. The labor agency will send a letter of support to DHS. The letter will ask DHS to provide immigration protection to workers at the work site or work sites where the labor violation occurred during a specific time period. Step 4. Work with an immigration attorney to file a request with DHS for 2 years of work authorization and protection from deportation, also known as deferred action. It's important to consult with an immigration attorney to ensure you are not putting yourself or family at risk. You will be asked to gather documents to show proof of identity and nationality, employment verification, and immigration history. Remember, beware of notarios or scammers and dishonest immigration attorneys. You can find a trusted immigration service provider near you at iamerica.org/legal help. Lastly, Step 5. If the request is approved by DHS, win temporary deportation protection and work authorization. A request for deferred action and work permit could be processed in a matter of months. It'll be valid for 2 years and you may be eligible to renew it while the labor case is pending. Now you are part of a growing movement of allies, labor unions, elected officials, and brave workers like yourself who are fighting to win fair wages, safe workplaces, and a union for all workers. Stay informed. Visit us at iamerica.org/worker rights. You can also get this information directly to your phone. Text WORKER to 802-495. Keep up the fight and remember, no matter your immigration status, you have rights.